Have you ever thought we'll wake up one day and we'll realize that life had just passed by? And at that moment, the only thing I don't want to say that I wish I would have lived my dream. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now we are at Bachpalli starting to Kuntala, which is located in Adilabad District, and it's about 250 kilometers away from our current location. Now the time is 8 o'clock and we decided to ride till Kamareddy without any breaks. After reaching Kamareddy, we'll have some breakfast and continue the ride. The time is 10 o'clock and we are done with our breakfast at Kamareddy. I forgot to fill my bike's tank before starting, so now I need a fuel break. Alright, got my tank filled, now let's continue the ride. When people see me doing long rides on the bike, they are very much concerned about my safety. But how can I tell them that the most dangerous risk of all is the risk of spending your life not doing what you want.
I saw you back before my time was shortened. No, throughout my life you've called me a renegade. Oh, throughout my loves you said we could start again, but I'm a renegade of your love. But I'm a renegade of your love.
After 2 hours of ride through the most scenic and lovely roads from Kamareddy, we have finally reached to Neredigonda village, and the Kuntala Waterfall is around 6 to 7 kilometers away from here.
The back and forth has got me so messed up. Don't ignore the signs. We've had enough of the whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking? I need to find a way. Find a way. Find a way.
This waterfall is formed by the Kadam river and is situated in the middle of Sahyadri mountain range. According to the popular local belief, this waterfall got its name after Shakuntala, the beloved wife of King Dushyant.